Hey there, curious minds. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live without oxygen? Well, you don't have to imagine because some creatures on Earth are already doing it. Today, I'm going to introduce you to 5 wild survivors who can live without oxygen. Yeah, you heard that right. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with the tiny but mighty Hennegaia salmonicola. This microscopic parasite lives inside salmon and, get this, has completely ditched breathing oxygen. Scientists discovered it doesn't even have mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, so it survives on whatever it can soak up from its host. Talk about freeloading. Next up we've got the Spinoloricus sinzii. This little guy hangs out in the salty mud of the Mediterranean Sea, in a place where oxygen is basically non-existent. Instead of gasping for air, it uses sulfur compounds to power itself. Imagine chugging rotten eggs for breakfast every day just to stay alive. Number 3 is the common goldfish, and its cousin, the crucian carp. Now, goldfish can't live forever without oxygen, but when ponds freeze over and oxygen vanishes, they do something wild. They switch to a backup energy system releasing alcohol instead of lactic acid. That's right, they basically turn into tiny underwater breweries to survive until the ice melts. Fourth on my list is the tough-as-nails tardigrade, aka the water bear. These microscopic superheroes can survive in space, in boiling water, and, yep, even without oxygen for days, sometimes weeks. They do it by hitting pause on their metabolism, sort of like hibernation at a cellular level. Last, but not least, meet the Loricifera, another deep-sea dweller. In the black mud of the Mediterranean, these animals thrive where no oxygen can reach. Instead of mitochondria, they use organelles that work on hydrogen and sulfur, proving that life finds a way, even in total darkness. So next time you take a deep breath, remember, not everyone needs oxygen to get by. From parasites in salmon to living tanks like tardigrades, these animals are proof that life is wilder and weirder than we ever imagined. Stay curious, and I'll see you in the next video.